Hey everyone, just thought we'd do a quick little recap from time attack and what we're going to do with the car now. I have one issue, which was the diff flanges broke on day one, which was a weird one, so we'll look into that a little bit more and see what the issue is. We just put the old diff back in and away we went. The weather wasn't the kindest. I haven't done any driving in the last 12 months, so I didn't drive the best either. The new area from Sydney Composites was amazing. The car felt so much more stable through one and everywhere else. I didn't maximise that with some more driving. This year, hopefully we can push it where it can be. The biggest thing, we didn't get a chance to put the sway bar on the rear. And I think just after that initial turn in, the car was falling over, which was then making some handling issues that made it a little bit harder to drive. The lap that we did last year, which was a 37.9, we pretty much matched that all around the track with less boost up until just in between the last turn and the second last turn, and we lost 1.5 just there with the corrections if you've seen the in-car. Anyway, I think yeah, we're in a good place. We can now work on that further and hopefully make it a bit nicer overall package and go a little bit faster. But car's back in the shops, just thought quickly run through what we do once it's back. First one's clean, get all the rubber and everything off it, and then yeah, we'll go through the other things that we look at and check over. So I got the car up on the jacks. It's a really good amount of room under there that you can get under there and work. The jacks just make life so much easier, especially with all the aero on it. Trying to get a jack under there to get it up is near impossible. So basically, we're going to just go through, check all the wheel bearings, span and check everything. The diff that we changed got a little bit of a oil leak out the front of the pinion flange, so we'll replace that. I'm going to pull the gearbox out, give it a once over. So the gearbox is out of the car and apart. All looks pretty good in there. Basically, we're just looking for any wear on the dogs there, which are a bit hard to see. Probably while it's apart, we'll just put some bearings in it and replace a couple of those. But otherwise, it yeah, all looks pretty good in there. So the sway bar is bolted back in, just clears the fuel cell, which is good. Basically, we're going to have to put a threaded bung here on the back of the arm that this rod end can bolt to, and then that should allow enough movement sort of either way to change the stiffness of the sway bar, and then hopefully that will give us the handling back that we're looking for and stop the car falling over in the middle of the corner, or even initially when you turn in. So you got any questions about the car or anything you want to know, let us know and we can cover that in the next video or after next time we take the car out. Thanks for watching.